Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make Google Sheets full screen. Alright, so if you want to increase the visible area of your Google Sheets spreadsheet so you can see more without scrolling, then here is how you can make your Google Sheets spreadsheet full screen. So there are two steps. The first one is to make your browser full screen. So in that case we won't see the applications and the time here, and we won't see the bookmark bar, the URL field and the tabs here. And you can do that using the F11 keyboard shortcut in most web browsers. So if you press F11, as you can see, we have made our web browser full screen. So if you want to exit this, just press F11 one more time. But as you can see, we still have the formula bar, the toolbar, the menu bar, and we can also hide these and make the spreadsheet area even bigger. And we can do that by clicking on View and selecting full screen here. And as you can see, the controls have been hidden. But all in all, this is how to make Google Sheets full screen. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.